to make you feel of your Valentine and forget yourself in his rhythm. I would like to call upon stage Rakesh Sharma with his song, Where to Go, I Miss You So Much.
Hello. Music here, come on. You guys ready? Yeah, come on. This one's gonna blow you all. Yeah. She said some days I feel like shit. Some days I wanna quit and just be normal for a bit. I don't understand why you have to always be gone to get long, but the scripts always feel so long. And I find myself trying to stay by the phone, cause your voice always helps me and I feel so alone, but I feel like an idiot. Working my day around the corner when I pick about it, how to say so. I want you to know it's little messed up that I'm stuck in with. That time you better telling you that I had it to do with your career. Me and the rest of the family here thinking where you go. Come on people, make some noise, come on, I can hear you, make some noise people. I will come again. Yeah. Come back home. You know the place where you used to live. Used to barbecue or burgers and ribs. Used to have a little party every Halloween for candy by the pile. But now you only stop every once in a while and shit. I find myself just filling my time with anything to keep the thought of you from my mind. I'm doing fine and I plan to keep it that way. You can call me if you find that you have something to say, and I tell you, I want you to know it's little messed up that I'm stuck in with. That time you better telling you that I had it to do with your career. Me and the rest of the family here singing where to go. Come on, cheer up people, please cheer up, come on. Where'd you go? I miss you so. Seems like it's been forever. You've been gone. Please come back home. I want you to know what's little messed up that I'm stuck in with. No longer debating, tired of seeing the hit and making excuses for why not around. I'm feeling so useless. It seems one thing to do all alone. You don't really know what you got until it's gone. And I guess I'm trying to with you when your career. When you come back, I won't be here. When you can sing it. Yeah. Come on, people, let's cheer up. Come on, make some noise. I can hear you. Where'd you go? I miss you so. Seems like it's been forever. But you've been gone. Please come back home. Thank you, people. Thank you for coming up here, making this event very successful one. Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much for appreciating it. I appreciate you all here, coming up here and making the show so complete and beautiful. You guys are really amazing. I like you all. Thank you so much. I want to thank my friends Sumit, Yasir, Lokesh, and my dear PP once again. Come on, you guys are really wonderful. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Performance by our lovely Rakesh. So, meanwhile, to entertain you, I'd like to pass our mic to Gaurav and Junisha. The program will be conducted by them. So please hold your breath. Here they are coming.
Hey friends, you keep on enjoying. We will be right back. Till then, goodbye.
क्रांती सूर्य बैरिस्टर विनायक दामोदर सावरकर म्हणतात, youth is he who carries young dreams on his young shoulders. युवक म्हणजे कोण? तर जो तारुण्याची स्वप्ने आपल्या तरुण खांद्यांवरून वाहून नेतो तोच खरा युवक. आणि अशाच वसंत उत्सव 2011च्या निमित्ताने एकवटलेल्या हजार तरुणांच्या तरुणाईला वंदन करून मी गौरव अशोक जैन, 3rd इयर सिव्हिल इंजिनिअरिंग डिपार्टमेंट आपल्या सर्वांचं मनस्थ पुन्हा एकदा हार्दिक स्वागत करतो. सुस्वागतम सुस्वागतम सुस्वागतम.
Hey, just wait. Let me come. Have you started? have this guy started? I was also want to see the program. I was informed that here is some cultural program where my friends are going to perform.
ओ बाई, कोण तुम्ही? एवढं लटकत मटकत कुठे चालल्या?
मुझे नहीं जानते?
नहीं।
ओके, सुनो फिर। आंखों में है आशा, आंखों में है आशा, मन में नहीं निराशा, प्यार की मैं बोलूं भाषा, इसीलिए इसीलिए नाम है मेरा जुनीशा।
निशा, क्या बात आहे. बरं, येता येता तुम्ही काय म्हटल्यात ते आमचे मित्र परफॉर्मन्स काय काय समजायचं काय आम्ही?
Okay, so for a change, I am presenting a mind-blowing and awesomest performance, which is a Western Pani Puri.
वेस्टर्न पाणीपुरी म्हणजे?
Oh, Western Pani Puri, it is the flow of hip-hop and puri of breakdance. So presenting the Campus Rockers, Mahendra Mali and group.
बापरे, पाणीपुरी काही खरं नाही बाई, या बाईचं काय म्हणते काय माहित.
अरे देखो तो सही पहले.
भोली सी सूरत, आँखों में मस्ती, आए हाय.
Stop. Now watch this.
म्युझिक.
Hey yo, baby girl, I gotta fess all up. I never thought that I would get caught up. I be the 6 hit, baby, I just step on up. But you both me over, having me through the duck. Girl, you hit me like a 10-ton truck. Up in my chest, let me bend all up. Whatever you put in me, seem to be stuck. You see, you got me
न
love struck.
जाने कब से उम्मीदें कुछ बाकी है, मुझे फिर भी तेरी याद क्यों आती है, न जाने कब से.
Recognition, zero repetition, it's not a permission to get permission. It's not you'll be missing, trying to be different. Never know it's a mafia, you'll be kissing, so you better listen. It's my niggas, I will be. I didn't engage in surgery, she loving me. We can find up on the rhythm like Raw Free. Chilling fifth gear, 5 shots, no fee. You know I sound clear. On this level, never near. Trying to be like a spirit.
भी तुम मुझसे फासले में, अब तो आदत सी है मुझको ऐसे जीने में. जिंदगी से कोई शिकवा भी नहीं है, अब तो जिंदा हूँ मैं इस नीले आसमां में. न जाने कब से उम्मीदें कुछ बाकी है, मुझे फिर भी तेरी याद क्यों आती है, न जाने कब से.
All right now, wasn't that fun? Let's try something else.
Let's get it on. Let's get it on. What's it? What's it? It's
सफर में गुजर जाते हैं जो मकाम वो फिर नहीं आते, वो फिर नहीं आते।
Meanwhile, today's sponsor, Youngistan for Western Club of Gents and Chandravilas Ladies Parlor for the makeup of girls.
Wow, that was great. So why are you sitting so straight? Guys, don't get afraid and clap your hands without any break.
ओ बाईसाहेब, जरा एक मिनिट. तुम्ही आहात कोण? तर आल्यात कशा? एवढं फडफड इंग्लिश पाडताय. मला सांगणार का कोण आहात तुम्ही, कुठून आले आहात, तुम्ही कशासाठी आले आहात?
अरे वो एक्चुअली मैं महाराष्ट्र में नई आई हूँ और मैंने महाराष्ट्र के बारे में सुना तो बहुत है पर पता कुछ नहीं है. तो क्या तुम मुझे महाराष्ट्र का दर्शन करवाओगे?
काय बाई आहे ही? तिला महाराष्ट्राबद्दल माहित नाही. छ्या.
अरे हाँ, महाराष्ट्र से मुझे याद आया मुंबई. मुंबई यानी बॉलीवुड, बॉलीवुड यानी अमिताभ बच्चन, आमिर खान, शाहरुख खान.
बघ आमच्या मुंबईने जगभर नाव कमवलंय. तुम्हाला भेटायचं का त्यांना?
हाँ यार, मैं उनकी बहुत बड़ी फैन हूँ, मुझे मिलना है उनसे.
मंडळी, यांना आपण भेटवूनच देऊ सर्व कलाकारांशी. लेट्स वेलकम राम एंड श्याम, द मिमिक्री आर्टिस्ट.
इसमें कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है. ये आवाज निकलती है, उसके लिए स्पेशल गोलियां होती है. जैसे वो गोलियां मिलती है हमारे फुली मार्केट में. जैसे कोई अलग अलग गोलियां होती है अलग अलग एक्ट्रेस के लिए. जैसे नीलू फुले साहब की कोई अलग आवाज है. प्रत्येक माणसानं आता प्रामाणिकपणाने जगायला शिकलं पाहिजे. प्रामाणिकपणाने म्हणजे स्वतःचे पैसे शिकायला शिकलं पाहिजे. आता पाणी प्यायचं का शेण खायचं तुमचं तुम्ही ठरवा बाबा ना. जैसे कोई अलग आवाज होती मकरण आज पर के
जाऊ दे ना मित्रा, तू तरी काय करशील त्याला. उघड्यापाशी नागडं गेला येवाने कुडकुडून मेला.
अब जैसे कोई अलग आवाज है अक्षय कुमार की. बहुत हंसी आ रही तुम लोगों को, बहुत हंसी आ रही है, बहुत हंसी आ रही तुम लोगों को. क्या ये बता दूं मैं अपनी माँ को कि उसका बेटा एक छोटी मोटी कंपनी में नौकरी करता है? ये बता दूं उसको मैं. अब जैसे कोई अलग आवाज है सुनील शेट्टी की.
बाबू भैया, इस कमीनों को मैं इसलिए नहीं छोड़ रहा हूँ कि बल्कि मैं जेल जाने से डरता हूँ, बल्कि इसलिए छोड़ रहा हूँ कि खुद को एक दिन में नौकरी करते हुए देखना चाहता हूँ बाबू भैया.
अब जैसे अलग आवाज है शाहरुख खान भी. तो ज्यादा से ज्यादा क्या फर्क पड़ जाता, उस आग में जल जाता, मर जाता. लेकिन जरूरत पड़ने पर एक बार नहीं, 100 बार नहीं, 1000 बार उस आग में घुस जाऊंगा जिस आग में शांति. जैसे कोई अब अलग आवाज है कार्टून चैनल की, पोगो चैनल. ये वो छोटे बच्चों का चैनल.
नंदू नंदू, तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो? नहीं, मुझे दोस्तों के साथ खेलने जाना है नंदू. तुमको मम्मी ने बुलाया है? नहीं, मुझे मेरे दोस्तों के साथ खेलने जाना है. क्या तुम मेरे साथ नहीं आओगे नंदू?
अब जैसे कोई दमदार आवाज, द पैशन ऑफ द COT, JRC सर एंड द शेखावत सर. उनकी गोलियां आजकल जरा सी महंगी मिलती है, जिस तरह से हमारे JRC सर. अरे भाई क्या करता है तिकड़े, कौन है किसको का प्रैक्टिकल है अभी वहाँ. चलो भाई इधर आइए, आज हम पढ़ेंगे थर्मोडायनेमिक्स प्रॉपर्टी. The adiabatic process, isentropic process, isothermal process, these are the processes naturally used in the power plant and thermal stations. अगर आमतौर पर कहा जाए इस तरह की प्रोसेस यूज की जाती है डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ थर्मल स्टेशन. अब जैसे कोई अलग आवाज और अलग स्टाइल है हमारे शेखावत सर का. अरे पुढे फिरतात रे दोघं जण, काही कॉलेज नाही काही नाही. अरे कळतंय का दोघांना काय म्हणतोय मी. 20 तारखेपर्यंत रेग्युलर अटेंडन्स करायची. समजतंय का दोघांना? नाहीतर टर्म सबमिट होणार नाही. कळतंय का दोघांना काय म्हणतोय मी. अब जैसे कोई अलग आवाज़ है अभी रवि शास्त्री और धोनी की जो अभी डॉलर्स में मिलती है. Welcome to the post-ceremony celebration of the Ryder Cup 2009. The inning, the very interesting inning is played today. India versus Australia. India win the match by the 20 runs and Australia lost this match. Yeah, what do you think about the Sachin Tendulkar played this inning very good and 200 run. He's the first man on the planet doing this one. Yeah, what do you think about the Sachin? What's your opinion about this World Cup?
Yeah, fantastic batting play, man. Absolutely, I got the 200 runs because of my parents' support also.
What do you think about this World Cup?
इस बार लाना है, उम्मीद है इस बार वर्ल्ड कप लाएंगे अपने घर.
Also the Indian captain Mahendra Singh Dhoni. What do you think about the today's game? Yeah, no, fantastic batting play by Sachin Tendulkar. Absolutely, it is not about Sri Lanka about to play. Absolutely, most credit going to Virat Kohli and Mahendra Singh Dhoni, and absolutely it is not a problem. But the fantastic batting play by Sachin Tendulkar, and we give the most credit to Sachin Tendulkar, and we all congratulate Sachin Tendulkar for his return to 200 runs here.
Are you going to Zaid Khan in the next match?
Yeah, absolutely, because of fantastic batting play and bowling play by Zaid Khan, he absolutely take the initial parts of the 5 wickets taking. It's absolutely including.
Yeah, thank you, Ravi. Best of luck for the next match.
थैंक यू रवि. अब अलग आवाज़ है फैशन शो की. जैसे वो फैशन शो पिछले बार शंतनु वगैरह वो कुछ अलग अलग गोलियां लेते थे, उनकी तरह से कुछ अलग ही गोली है उसमें आप. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting here the fashion show of the COED. Yeah, the boys which we are the fantastic shirt sponsor. By the social collection and the beautiful girls with lovely sarees, sponsored by the Panchali Sarees Limited, and the choreography of this is made by the Deen Dayal Denkar. Thank you so much.
अरे मस्त है मस्त. Guys, I have an important announcement. अगर आपको भी ये जादुई गोलियां चाहिए तो प्लीज कांटेक्ट करें राम एंड श्याम को. कांटेक्ट करने के लिए डायल कीजिए 9432101234.
गोळ्यांसाठी कॉन्टॅक्ट वाटतं या बाईच्या गोळ्या संपलेल्या दिसत आहेत.
Meanwhile, to hold your breath, I'd like to call upon stage Ansuman sir with the anchoring of Fashion Show Bridal. Please, Ansuman sir.
Be mechanical. So, ladies and gentlemen, the time has finally arrived. The most awaited event, that is fashion show. So, without wasting any more time, let us roll on and get the show started. Bridal 2011. Before starting, I would like to announce the name of the sponsors. For bridal, the men's makeup is being done by Popular Men's Parlor, and the guy responsible is Rahul Jagtap. Rahul Jagtap from Popular Men's Parlor. For ladies makeup, we have Chandra Vilas Ladies Parlor. Ladies makeup being done by Chandra Vilas Ladies Parlor. Now for the clothes. Men's bridal wear provided by Vijay Collection. Men's bridal wear being provided by Vijay Collection. And the sarees for the beautiful ladies have been sponsored by Pancha. Please, ladies and gentlemen, welcome. First prize is Sharmani Sunavne, third year computer. Please appreciate beauty from third year, Sharmani Sunavne. Dressed in a beautiful pink and green saree. That is Sharmani Sunavne for you. The next model is the groom, Nadeem Mansoori from B Chemical. Please welcome with a thunderous round of applause, Mr. Nadeem Mansoori.
Hey, Yogesh.
Is the tall and handsome with the looks to kill, Nadeem Mansoori, final year chemical from Jalgaon city. May I remind you about the sponsors? Vijay Collection for men's bridal wear, Panchali sarees for ladies bridal wear, Popular Men's Parlor for men's makeup, and Chandravilas Ladies Parlor for ladies makeup. The third model on the stage, the fair, tall and slim bride from Bhusawal,